Let's we're going. What are we doing? We're working?
Yeah. Got something with John Hancock.
Why? You're in trouble? Oh. Well, you're famous right now.
I'm famous right now. Big
Why don't you tell them who you are?
I'm Don Portier. I'm work in the warehouse.
No, don't be. You run this place. Don't.
I don't run it. I don't run it.
You're the manager.
Not yet. Not yet.
Okay.
Not yet. I'm getting there.
Please. Y'all coming in. We got probably the first ones with it, like usual. New Deaf Bonce amplifiers. That's how we do it. We get the stuff first. All the new MFAs are here. These are new amps from Deaf Bonce. Big shout out. Y'all gonna get a first glimpse at them. Are they going up on the site today? Oh, they're already up? Well, damn, you better start buying them because there's not many. But we'll get some more at Deaf Bonce. So right here you're looking at the brand new amp line. Just guarantee we're the only ones with it. You ain't gonna find it on the other coast. We got a 4x330. Let's open that up. Hey Taylor, can I just get your hands real quick? Can you unwrap that real quick? Everybody wants to see the new Deaf Bonce amps at Big Jeff Audio. So these are all super small micros. MFA. We got a 2120, a 280, a 4480, a 4270, a 418. There's a bunch of amps. Look how small they are. And he's a small guy. Look how small that amp is. Let him take a look at the... Let's see the side there. Alright, so we got low pass, high pass, built-in crossovers, Tiffany style, RCAs. You got a clip, even on this small amp. Alright, looks like 4 gauge for power. And then you have where it's the layered speaker terminals, makes it a lot easier. All these are up online. Looks like a 320, a 2-channel 320, a 4x120, a 2x630. Even that one's not much bigger. And then a bunch of 4 channels. So those are on bigjeffaudio.com right now. You can just do MFA in the search bar. What's up? And then those will come up. And then something new we got for all you bass heads, also to our wholesale customers. We have carpet. Audipipe carpet. We have platinum felt. That's like a navy blue. Then you have the charcoal. And so we have the big 4-foot by 150 foot. And then we have the smaller. How many feet are the smaller ones? 15 foot? Guys, 15 foot, nobody knows? Okay, I think it's 15 foot, but we got plenty of carpet here. So if you're a home installer doing a build, we have the smaller rolls. If you're one of our wholesale dealers, you got the bigger rolls. So those are going up on our website, but we're here to talk about the new MFA amps. Right there. So let's go take a look around what we got going on. We got some new sales reps here. That's Dale.
Yes, sir.
And we got Mike over there. Oh, yeah. We got Larry, the cable guy, and everybody knows who Julie is. They look like they're actually working. Y'all working? Yes, what is that? Is that one of the new amps? You working on it right now?
Yeah, that's a new Deaf Bonce.
So we're actually got them up online. So that 2120 we're selling for $129.90. That's awesome. Getting the social media and the artwork ready. You can buy them now.
Welcome to Big Jeff.
Hold on. We got some new customer service people. Looking like they're actually working. I think. Let's go check around. So, if you're interested in new MFA amps, we got them all in stock on the website. Just either go brands, Deaf Bonce, or just search MFA. And they're all super small. Jim, go ahead. What do you need? Jim is my warehouse system.
MM60's coming in, right?
MM60s next week, yes. Selling through those crazy. So check it out. They got a bunch of 2 channels and 4 channels. We got them all in stock. And I will say you won't find them on other sites yet. So that's a cool thing. All right, let's go take a sneak peek what's going on around here. Still cleaning up from the sundown show. Even though we had to leave at like 3 o'clock, we had to drive 9 hours back. So we gave out a ton of stuff, a ton of clicks, a ton of reviews. Gale Force, Rockford, still a ton of Sound Cube. There's Ranting with Justin right there. Famous Ranting with Justin. Friday was still a decent day. Tons of packages. Pallets lined up to go out. What else we got? Cells, excess power cells, Ioxis U31s, D3400s, plenty of those. We got Jennifer, our shipping manager, say hi, killing it. So Friday, we got coming up Florida Lifted next month. And then we have Dean Baptist Show, Music Wars. So we got those coming up. The Yukon, as you know, wasn't completely done. The shop I had it at for the 7 months, no bueno. Took it out. Got into another shop, Extreme Car Audio in Ocala. They promised me they're going to get it up to par. Let me turn this back around. Don't ever let anybody tell you we ain't got product, because we are in the slowest time of the year, and as you can see, we are straight packed with product. Straight packed with product. Let's see, Daniel Cruz, what's up? Alan Darlin, what's up? Jamie Hevikin, I don't want to screw that up, my friend, I'm sorry. I did try. Let's go to the next stop. So Deaf Bonce MFA amps are in. They're killing it. We just got all the big, look, 45 18s, 35 series, totally stocked up. Whatever y'all need, hit up the site. Be the first one to buy an MFA amp. In fact, the first person to buy one of the MFA amps, I'm going to go ahead and throw a ton of free stuff on there. We just got them in. We just put them up. Daniel Cruz, what's up? You got all the goodies. I'm glad to hear. We take pride in that. We try to give back with the giveaways. We give back with giving you guys stuff. Sundown, man. Obviously, no, we got it. SDDNs. We got the nightshades coming, so we're taking the pre-orders now. So if you want a nightshade, you better get on it right away. What's up, Zoe? My Zoe, man. I'm from South Florida, so man, I miss my Zoes, actually. Those are good-ass people, man. All right, what we got going on out here? Looks like we got another truck pulling in. Let's see what this is. It says Big Jeff on it. Oh, Sundown Audio, actually. More Sundown coming in right now. Nice. More Sundown. Huh? You're right, the fake inventory. And you can see all the inventory lined up out here. How many pallets on Sundown? 4? 4 or 5? There you go, Sundown. All right, who else we got on here? Jennifer, Jamie Havoc, Sour Soda here. I'm thinking of some Trinities. Well, this is the time to get it. I ain't gonna even say nothing wrong. Just difference of opinions. We're not gonna be carrying the product. But we do have some announcements coming out on some big brands coming in. So stay tuned for that. But right now, everything we have is at a crazy price, but when it's gone, it's gone. Hopefully me and John talk up, maybe repair some things, and maybe we keep the stuff going, but for right now, we are blowing it out. So grab it. Wesley Clem, what's up? I don't know, man, it's Friday. It's been a long week. Interviewing more people. We're looking for a new Amazon guy. We have a new warehouse manager starting next week. We're always looking for good people, man. We're over 33 employees now as of today. Sorry, 34. That'll be with Monday. Test bench. Big Brian, he's the one that does the returns. That's where we test the stuff out. Guys upstairs pulling more product. Let's go back inside. Sour Dusty, Big Jeff doing big things. I'm trying to make $1 out of 15 cents. What else we got? We got some local customers. What are you getting today, sir?
Just the radio.
Just the radio? All right, well, that's all good. All right. Okay, so you saw the carpet we have in stock. So if you're doing this out of your house, we got small rolls. My dealers, if you're watching this, we just got big 150 foot. It's 150 foot or 150 foot yard. I think it's 150 foot, right? Okay, 150 foot. And then, of course, you got all these new Deaf Bonce amps. Like always, the first to bring it. So, I'm going to, just wanted to do a quick live and show you we're still killing it at the end of August, man. Thank you, everybody. We got some cool videos coming up this weekend. I think we're over 400,000 subscribers. You can see the guys working on it. Pull that back up again. This is what they do all day. They're working on videos. Here's from the Sundown Show. So there'll be a video of the day for the Sundown Show. Y'all check that out. Make sure you like them, comment on them. We're working on a lot right now. Okay, so check it out. MFA amps. Get yourself one. Anybody that buys them over the weekend, I'm going to double up your freebies. We want to move those amps. Support Deaf Bonce. Huge line for us. I was told today we were the top 5, 1 of 5. Well, in the top 5 last year. We're steady and staying in the top 3. So my goal next year is to be top 1 or 2. But that's from you all. John DeRose. You're in Ocala, man. Come by and see us. Sam in New Zealand. That's awesome, man. Thank you, Sam. Man, we've been putting videos out, and we're getting a lot of attention outside the country, doing a lot of shipments. New Zealand, Dubai, South Africa, Costa Rica. So our reach is getting out there. We've been doing a ton of international orders. So that's real cool. All right, so listen, it's Friday. I appreciate everybody. I got love for everybody. Whoever buys an MFA amp this weekend is going to get double up on the freebies. And I'm Big Jeff, signing off.